guys, and welcome to my channel. Oh, and you will see this shirt in multiple videos because she's learning how to bulk record. YouTube life. Today we're going to be talking about my hygiene and body travel essentials. So just so you know, the last video I recorded, which is my natural hair travel essentials, I am combining what's in my hair essentials bag with my body and hygiene essentials bag, only because I had a lot of room left in my hair bag. So why waste the space? Why use another bag when I can just put it all in one? So with the two combined, this is what it looks like now. It's packed, but we just save space and it works beautifully. So I'm gonna open this bag and show you how I combine the two. Whoop, no, something always falls out. Okay, something's gonna fall out. I can't. Okay, so I have quite a few things in there. So I'm gonna also show you how explain to you how I pack them. So starting with some hygiene items, I bring my Dove soap. I just put it in a little container. I bring a shower cap. Shout out to the Aquaba in DC. They have properties in New York, New Jersey, and DC. The Aquaba DC is great. It's a Black-owned bed and breakfast. I loved it. My experience there was great. It's so much history and culture there. And I really don't want to open it to use it, but I probably will have to. But shout out to the Aquaba in DC. Of course, I bring a pad of some sort. In this container, this is really cool. I got this container from Muji. I probably will still post my Muji haul, you guys, because it is such a stationary person's dream, or people that love little small trinkets and stuff like that. But in this little container right here, whoa, I put some more sanitary things. I have a razor in here, some wipes, some sanitary womanly wipes, and some liners. I'll probably add the pad in here. I'll probably take the razor out and just leave the pads and the sanitary napkins and the wipes in there. That makes more sense anyway. So I bring my deodorant. I use the Arm & Hammer Essentials deodorant. It's no aluminum, no parabens, and it's from natural plant extracts, which is cool. I also bring some alcohol to clean off stuff or just have things sanitary like I like it. I bring alcohol. I bring some foot powder. Let's just be honest with ourselves. It's okay if you need to use foot powder. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. I bring some Q-tips. I want to put this in a smaller container, like a flatter container, but as of now, this is what it came in and it works. I bring my shea butter. Especially for the winter months, I need to refill it, and I love how emollient it is. It's really hydrating. It takes a minute to really penetrate into the skin, so I like to do it when my skin is slightly damp. I bring some toothpaste, and then I bring a fragrance of my choice. So we're getting more into the fall. I'm not ready for everything pumpkin spice yet, even though I do like pumpkin spice a lot. I brought some fragrance. This is really small. It's really small. It's compact. It can fit in my purse, and I love how it's travel size. So I interchanged between this Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille and the Burberry Weekend. This is more of my spring summer scents, and this is what I'm currently wearing now. And at the very top, I bring my electric toothbrush. It has a cap on it, but I don't have it on there right now. And I put this at the very top, so it's the furthest away from the brushes and everything like that, so they don't touch each other. So you guys, leave me a comment below and let me know what are some of the things that you bring for your body and hygiene essentials. Again, I don't bring too much. I don't need that much. So I just try to keep it simple and minimize my travel weight as much as possible. Okay, let me put everything in the bag and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the bag. This has everything in it, my hair and my body hygiene items. I hope this helps you pack, and thank you so much for watching. Before you go, please watch another video. Please share this with someone you know. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if I'm missing anything or if you add other things to this list in addition to. And I appreciate you guys. Check me out on Instagram so we can have a more personal relationship and you guys get to see my day to day. And I hope you guys are having a fabulous week. And until next time, adios, besos.